Aida took a trip to the Rift Valley to Kabarnet town to trace her roots. That's where she was born. And she went to Kabarnet Hospital, and they were able to retrieve the records to show the day when it was recorded, where the day she was born and even the hour. And she was actually very pleased, all of us. And that's where she was born, because her parents were working there at that time. They were both medics, the father and the mother. Another event is last year, we celebrated Aida's father's 60th anniversary of death. So if Aida is turning 70 now, you know, she lost her father when she was 9 years old. She was the fourth of a family of 6 children. And the father was died. The youngest in the family was just 4 years old. The mother was left with these 6 children, and she refused to be inherited. So since she was not terrored, and they were not terrorists. The terrorists were away in game, and they had moved to South Nyanza, to Migori. But this mother single-handedly raised these 6 children and gave them education. The late Mama Rosa, a great woman. You need to know that Aida is actually a cousin to Atwoli, Francis Atwoli. Her mother comes from Husero in Western Kenya. So she's also a hybrid.